look is going to be on this basic witch. I've done witch tutorials in the past, but I really wanted to do a cute and like glam-ish witch, so that's what I did this year. And I'm really loving how all my looks are turning out this year. I really hope you guys are enjoying them too. Did want to let you guys know that a portion of this video is sponsored by Kiss Impress Nails. You guys will see me apply these bad boys in a second. These are so cute. What the hell? This little gemstone is like iridescent. I don't know if it comes off well on camera. But thank you so much to them for sponsoring a portion of this video and being a part of ASHTOBERFEST this year. Really quick before we get into the tutorial, I wanted to remind you guys to follow me on Instagram and Twitter and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're new here, ASHTOBERFEST is where I upload a new tutorial every other day in the month of October for Halloween. And this year is by far my favorite year of all time. You guys can also check out my merch at atlee.co. I have it linked down in the description box along with everything else that I talk about in my intros and outros. I know they're very long and rambly. I just have so much information to get out there. What else is there? Oh, if you'd like to enter today's giveaway, go ahead and leave a comment on my Instagram photo for this basic witch look right here. If you haven't entered for the other days, you can go ahead and do that as well by commenting on the older photos from ASHTOBERFEST Returns. I'll be choosing winners at the end of each week. There's a winner for every single day, plus more because I have other things that I want to give away. So I will be going through the comments and randomly selecting people, and you could be one of them. Anyways, that's all I have to say for now, so let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. Alright guys, so like I mentioned, this portion of the video is sponsored by Kiss Impress Nails. These are the nails that I chose to apply for you guys. They sent me a ton, but this design right here was my favorite. It's kind of like a maroon color, and then it has a gemstone nail as well. They come in a ton of different sizes in here, so I'm going to match up each nail with mine, and I will be right back. Okay, so I have my nails lined up. I wanted to show you guys what comes in the package. It comes with a little prep pad, which you clean your nails with, a little tool, and then also a tiny little nail file, which is helpful because I can never find mine. So this is a one-step gel manicure. There's no dry time, no glue, no messy, sticky situation. You just press them on and you're done. I'm just gonna rub this on all my nails. This is gonna help everything stick. I actually just got done dyeing a bunch of merch, so my hands are like full of purple and green dye. So basically, I'm gonna try and show you guys up close. They have a little gel tab on the back and you just pull it. Sorry, my nails are stained, that looks so gross. Basically, you just pull the tab off, align it with your cuticle, and then press down. And you have a perfectly painted nail. Just making sure to like press it down all over. These feel pretty sturdy. I'm gonna do the gemstone next. So easy, I can't even believe it. It said to do the thumbs last, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this hand and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm all done. Look how nice these look. My nails have never looked this nice. What the hell? You guys saw what my nails just looked like a second ago? I am impressed. That's the name of the brand, Impressed, and I am impressed. So these also have a really easy removal. Obviously I haven't tried to remove them yet, but I will report back to you guys in my next video how removing them went. They feel really secure, like they're not just gonna fly off when I'm doing something. And it says that they won't do any damage, so I will let you guys know on that. And it also says these don't chip and they don't get dull, which is nice because that's a problem I have when I paint my own nails. The polish looks really dull really fast. So if you guys are interested in checking out these nails, I'm gonna link them down below. They are available at impressmanicure.com. I believe they're $8 there, but they also are available at Walmart for under $6. So go check them out. They have a bunch of different styles, designs, nail shapes, and all of that. These are so cute. I'm never gonna paint my nails again. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick nail tutorial. I think these are the coolest things ever. I'm gonna go ahead and get into the makeup. Alright, so getting into the makeup, I am gonna be recreating a look that I wore to the Dolls Kill party a couple months ago, and I got so many requests to do a tutorial on that look and I just never got around to it, so I'm kind of going to put a different spin on it, but the same general idea here. So if you were one of the people who asked me for a tutorial, here it is. With these nails I feel like a new person, just like, I think I'm going to do bleached brows for this look. Obviously you guys already know how this look went in the intro, but maybe I changed my mind, who knows. I am just going to be taking my black cream color. This is Jet from Anastasia, and a flat brush, kind of like this one. This one is Urban Decay's medium eyeshadow brush. I must admit to you guys, I am quite a mess today because I have been non-stop working from the second I woke up, and now I'm filming this video, but I'm like an hour late because I'm also going to shoot after I film this one, and my life is in shambles. Basically, I'm going to be doing a big old wing. This is one of my favorite looks to do. I might end up switching to a smaller brush. I'm basically going to take this all the way up above my crease as well as to the inner corner. Out here, I'm just going to be doing a big wing, and I can clean up this edge if I need to, so I'm not too worried about that. I'm more worried about this, so I'm just going to kind of wing it back in and then fill it in. Now, if you guys are trying this for the first time, I would practice, like if you're going to wear this for Halloween, practice this eye shape if you're not familiar with it. Not this eye shape, this eyeshadow or eyeliner shape, because it does look different on everybody. And for my eye shape, I feel like this works the best. But if it's your first time trying it, definitely practice it once before committing. Because once you get the hang of it, it feels really simple. But if you've never tried it, it can be a little bit of a challenge to figure out what shape you want to do. I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is a Sigma smudge brush. I feel like this one I can get a better line with. Alright, so it is going to be a little bit sloppy up here. I'm going to take my makeup wipe and kind of try and get this to be a little bit smoother. This eye always has a better shape than this one for some reason. So next I'm actually going to take the Dose of Colors Desi Katy Friendcation palette, and I'm going to be using this black shade down here. This is called Game Over, and I'm just going to be tapping this over. So I'm just packing this on pretty much. This gives the look that super glittery. Why am I not focused? In the original look, I used the Pat McGrath palette that I love, but I will say the Pat McGrath shadow isn't as sparkly as this one. I really can't stop reaching for this Friendcation palette. I am very obsessed with it. Alright, I know this is a really weird spot to like stop and do my foundation, but it's gonna make sense. I'm gonna prime using my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Smells so good. By the way, I don't think I've even addressed my hair in this entire video. I'm finally getting it done tomorrow, which by the time you guys see this, I've already got it done. But I'm saying goodbye to the two-tone for now. I'm going to do one fun color that I've had planned for literally over a year. And I just haven't done it because it's a different tone, and if I change tones, then I have to do a lot of bleach to get back to like a warm tone. So anyways, I'm going to be changing it, and I'm scared excited. As you guys know, I have finally gotten my skin to be like clear for like the first time ever. And so I'm going to go back and I'm going to try the Fenty foundation. Mine is in the shade 150, and I am scared because, well, when I first got this foundation, I was obsessed with it, and then right after using it, my skin got all this crazy like little bumps all over the place, and I saw that a few other people had that problem too, and so I never used it again. But now that my skin is clear, I'm wondering if my skin can handle it, because before my skin couldn't handle much of anything. And this foundation is so pretty. Alright, now that I'm terrified for my skin, I'm going to use concealer. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer in Fair Warm. And I'm just blending out with my beauty blender. I just washed all my beauty blenders, and they're so squishy sounding now. I'm making sure to get concealer right in here because this is kind of going to prep that area for the neon shade I'm about to put down. Forgot this concealer dries very fast. And then just quickly setting with a powder. I'm using the Laura Mercier brightening powder. I haven't done a full face of makeup with like foundation and concealer and powder in so long. Who am I right now? Alright, going back in to finish the eyes, I'm going to take the Makeup Forever Artist Pencil. This is in the color Any Tangerine. I am, first of all, going to sharpen that. And I'm going to be putting this in my waterline as well as a little bit in here. So this is what it looks like now. I'm going to take a tiny little brush and I'm going to be smudging this out a little bit to blend it up to the black, as well as get a nice inner corner like blur here. And then I'm just going to blend the black a little bit down as well. Going in next with my Stargazer pigment, Neon Dust. This is in the shade 203. It is the Neon Orange. I feel like I talk about this Neon Dust every like 2 videos. I have every shade. They're on Amazon for like $3. If you don't have them, please go buy them. They're amazing. I'm just going to tap these. So I'm just lightly tapping it so that it sticks to that eyeliner I put down. I'm going to take the smaller brush to make sure it gets in here. So underneath the lower lash line on this end, I'm going to take a little bit of that jet cream color. And I'm just kind of blending it down towards the orange. Then I'm taking the shade from the Friendication palette. The black, I think it's called Game Over, right? And I'm just tapping this over that. So this is pretty much the look that I did for that event. I'm going to take it a step further and I think do a bunch of glitter out here. Is that going to ruin the look? I don't know. I'm actually going to do the glitter last. We'll come back to her. To contour, I'm just taking a cool toned contour and I'm going to do the usual with my cheekbones. I'm going to take this up my forehead a little bit, because I haven't decided what wig I'm going to wear yet. And then also down my jawline and my nose. For blush, I'm going to use kind of a hot pink. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in the shade Diffused Heat. For highlight, I'm going to take the Aurora Glow Kit and I'm going to use a mixture of Eclipse and Lyra, is that how you say that? Starting with Eclipse. And I like to put highlighter everywhere, so I put it on my forehead, above my eyebrows. And next I'll go in with a little bit of that Lyra shade, which is a little bit darker orange, and kind of blend it in. My goal at all times is to just be very glittery, so I'm not stopping with the highlight. I'm scared about my eyebrows. I want to do the bleach brow look, but I'm scared. So I'm going to try it, and if I don't like it, I'm going to wipe it off and do a regular brow. So I'm just taking a little bit on a spoolie. I guess a little bit of product, I should have said. This is like an off-white brow gel. And I'm kind of just running that through my eyebrow, but then I run it back so it coats all of the hairs, and then run it through like normal again. I feel like this shows you guys how thick my eyebrows truly are. They're caterpillars. Underneath my brows, I'm going to pack that shade Eclipse from the Aurora palette all the way to where my liner starts. I think I am going to stick glitter on the outside, so I'm going to use the Lunatics Moon Dust Chunky Glitter in the shade Rio. I'm actually going to use some of the Urban Decay Glam Rock liner, and I'm just going to use this as like a glue since I already have silver glitter on the eye, and I'm kind of going to just start on this outer V. wanted to add a little something. Alright, so this is the glitter. Just really feel like it adds an extra like bam to this look, you know what I mean? So for lashes, I have my lash graveyard here. They all just fell off. These on the outside here are my Miss Fury lashes chopped up. I'm going to use these as lower lashes. These are the same ones I used in my Lydia Dietz look. So I'm going to use, I think 2 of these, maybe 3. We'll see how it goes. And then for my eyelids, I'm going to use my Slayer lashes. Both of these lashes are from Rouge and Rogue, so I will link them down below. I also have a discount code with them. I think it's just ASH. I'll leave that down below too. Alright, so this is the lashes done. These are the Slayer lashes on top. And then on the bottom is some chopped up Miss Fury lashes. Now I tried to do a little stamp over here. I was trying to do a test to see if I'd like it. This is a Milk Makeup stamp pen. And this is the moon shape. I feel like these are kind of hard to use. I'm just going to do a moon on each brow. Kind of on the brow tail. How do I make sure they're even? Because my eyebrows are uneven. Holy shit. Those are not even, but close enough. I can't decide if I want to do a black lip or a nude lip. Let's try nude and see what it looks like. Nude is very pretty, but I kind of think black is more witchy. I think I want this lip to be glossy, so I'm just going to take my Blackberry gloss from Victoria's Secret and tap this over top with my finger. Alright, well that is it for this makeup. I'm going to go ahead and throw on my wig and I'll be right back to show you guys the finished look. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. You guys can't really tell in this video, but this wig is actually like a forest green. I just sprayed some like hair powder into it so it would kind of age it a little bit. I'm really bad at putting on wigs, so if you can see my real hair through it or the lace. Whoops. I also have this basic witch hat. I think this hat was from Target from last year. So that's going to be it for this basic witch tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much again to Kiss Impress Nails for sponsoring this video. Also go check them out because these have lasted me all through getting ready and opening boxes and lashes. Again, I linked them down below in case you guys are interested. Don't forget to comment on this Instagram photo to enter today's giveaway. I will be contacting all the winners at the end of the week. If you haven't yet commented on other photos from this week, you should go ahead and do that because I'm choosing winners at the end of each week, so you have all week to enter. Also, if you guys are recreating any of the ASHTOBERFEST returns looks, please tag me in the photos or hashtag ASHTOBERFEST returns, and I will be able to see them and repost them. I love adding you guys into my stories whenever you send me something on Instagram, and I love retweeting when you guys send me things on Twitter. But I think that's going to be it for this video, so I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for all the love on ASHTOBERFEST so far, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye!